All right, so I'm just about to record, but I was midst of working on a bot, so I thought I'd just show a little snippet of what we really work on and what is a bot? What does a bot look like? What even is it? What are we even looking at right now? What is all of this mess if you know nothing about coding? Right now, I am on VS Code, Visual Studio Code. That is what I code on. You can use multiple languages. You can use Python, Rust, HTML, JSON, whatever language you want to write on, you can do that on VS Code. It's like one single app you can write multiple different languages on. So that is what we're looking at right now. What all of this is here, first, what all these are on the left, these are all my files. So the same way you would open File Explorer on your Windows PC is the exact same thing here. It's just listed differently. Now, what is all this here? This is my actual code. So now these are basically commands to make my code run. So I can copy, paste down here in what's called the terminal, and let the terminal run. So now this is something that I had just made with Fable 5. So it's going to take a little bit of time to get running properly, which is expected. AI isn't going to make everything perfectly the first pass. That's not what I'm looking for, especially. I'm looking to fine tune something slowly throughout weeks, if not months, sometimes. These bots aren't made overnight. It takes a lot of time. And, especially using AI, using Fable, using Claude, it takes time, especially with usage limits. If you're not, I'm not a computer scientist. I didn't go to college for this. I don't know how to code these bots completely by myself. I'm using Claude 90% of the time. I'm what they called a vibe coder, but I was vibe coding before that was even a term, before that was even a thing. You know, I was trying to use ChatGPT and other AIs, 2, 3 years ago to code for me, and it just wasn't working right. It just didn't know how to code properly. So when I found Claude, it was game changing. But I just wanted to show a little snippet of what a bot really is. You know, Obviously, as you see here, this isn't working for me first pass. This is going to take some time. This might take 2 more sessions to get working properly. But the whole goal is to let this run for 2 weeks, collect data to see if we have a profitable bot here. So now after 2 weeks of just collecting data, if it does turn out profitable, then I'll start paper trading. Now if a month of paper trading turns out profitable, that's when I'll put a small amount of capital. So now we're almost a month and a half, 2 months into this project. Whereas some people find a strategy and now in the next hour they're trading with it. It makes no sense. So now if you want to stop guessing, if you want to start using real data, start building these systems that truly beat the market, get inside of the evidence decks. Right now, $29. One time payment, I will move you up to tier 3, $29. You get everything that I ever work on, everything that I own for $29. All you have to do is DM me rubber ducky. That's the code word. $29 tier 3. You hear it from me now. There's only 2 people that are going to get that. First 2 people that DM me rubber ducky get tier 3 for $29. Now, thank you guys. I appreciate everything. Just wanted to drop a little snippet here. I I am so grateful for all of you taking the time to really learn these systems, understand these systems, take the time to listen to me. Out of all the people out there, thousands of people out there selling courses, giving you honestly honestly bullshit information. So, thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't say it enough. Thank you. I plan to give you guys so much more than what I have. This is going to be huge for not only me, but you too. I want to take anyone from ground zero to working at a hedge fund. That's my goal. I want that to be your goal. I want you to be there with me. So, thank you, thank you, thank you.